What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have another look how to make $1,000 a day with Propellerads. The journey so far, part 5, if I'm correct, maybe part 4, maybe part 5. It is already evening time, so today I'm late as fuck. I'm at Propellerads, but I just had a look at my volume account and we're moving in the right direction. So, let me log in to Propellerads. As you can see, the spend went down significantly. We've been heavy on the testing. So far today, everything is going quite well. As you can see, tons of new campaigns being launched, some conversions, but I am here. Singapore, 2 conversions, 285 spent, and then we have a copy, another 2 conversions, 138 click-through rate. One has a higher bid, also a higher click-through rate. So we're going to analyze both campaigns. This is the data in volume for the last 3 days. If I just look at today so far, then we are profitable 18.6%. This was the 22nd, and I'm on the 22nd right now. So that's quite nice. First things first, we're going to analyze, but I need more traffic. So I need to increase the bid again, because apparently we're not getting enough traffic with this structure. So I will increase the bid later. So that was the mistake I made before. I was complaining about too little traffic. Then I decided to duplicate and increase the bid on the control. And then later on, somebody commented on the YouTube channel saying the same thing. So then I knew for sure that was an issue. You can see with a little bit of a higher bid, you get some more traffic, right? What you also see is that we have a higher click-through rate. So obviously some higher cost. But let's look at the dashboard to grab those 2 campaigns and see what happened. So Singapore, this is the high bid. So on a high bid, it came from 2 different zones with also the most impressions. So it got 9 clicks, but the most impressions, they're not even the most spent. So 11% CTR and 16% CTR. Let's see. So most of the 11% conversion rate, 0.53 CR. As you can see, it gets tons of impressions, not that many clicks. CR is significantly better here and here, here as well, these 2. But we need more data, right? So for the creatives, we have all the creatives basically are displayed here. There are only 2 of them, and each ad got 1 conversion. One has a little bit of a higher CTR, but a lower conversion rate, as we can see. The other information doesn't really matter that much for now. Okay, let's look at the copy. So the copy was with the lower spend, lower impression count. So no, I'm still looking at the wrong one. I'm looking at copy, this one. All right, so the conversions came from, 100% conversion rate, 1 click, and here as well. So it's not too good of information. 0.41 CTR, it's not that good. So we might want to exclude that zone soon, because it's getting a lot of impressions and the CTR is bad. So in this sense, 7 clicks, I'm going to exclude this. The cost, however, were quite minimum, but it hasn't resulted in a conversion yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the last 7 days for this campaign. So we have basically an overview of the entire spend, which, let me see. So where's the V3 campaigns? Where are all the fucking campaigns? Oh, here they are. We have to make a bigger drop down. Let me see, 1 second. All right, V3, copy of Singapore. So 5 conversions. And where did they come from? Did even something come out of the top one? 1 conversion, a very bad conversion rate as well. So this already has a better CTR. The conversion rate is not that great, but it means that I'm going to exclude this one. So I just exclude this zone. Is there anything else which is getting a lot of traction but not a good click-through rate? Anything else is above 1.5% almost, 1.13, but it's not getting that many clicks. So we might want to give that one much more room. Then the copy, where is the copy? Here it is. So we look at the top one, very bad again, same zone, exclude, and that is for now. So I just exclude these two zones. Then we go to the base. So I'm going to now edit both the campaigns on the campaign level. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the bid of the original, of the copy to 0.4. So I'm going to double down on the bidding to get more impressions. So see, we started here, and now we moved into the big chunk of available clicks. That's where we're moving into. And we can go all the way until 0.085. And we have excluded one zone. So we're going to save these changes. Because what happens is right now, today, it only spent $2.85. So for the Singapore control, I'm going to up it as well to 0.05 because we have a $50 a day budget and it's not spending, well, it's spending way too little. So I want more traffic. So we would be able to get significantly more volume, and that's what we want. Right, so it's a CPC of 5 cents. So we would be able to get in a lot more clicks. What do they recommend for the CPC? 0.04, right? So we do 0.05 and we save the changes. I still want to keep that campaign open because I actually want to look at, so these are being updated. I actually want to look at the zone we excluded. Because when I go to volume, so we are 18.6% profitable today. And when I look for the last 72 hours, we are just profitable 3.7%. However, still profitable. So we haven't lost money yet. Well, I'm on my journey. So another profitable day today, which is nice. The day's not over yet, but in Singapore it is. Let's filter on the unique visit. So this zone, 2460654, 2732847. So this one, which is the one which creates the most impressions, but not the most clicks. And it only got us one conversion, you see? So this is the one we have excluded. Because so far the ROI hasn't been there. So this is 2460654. Let's have a look at that one. Let me just open the dashboard in another tab. And then I want to see the one which got the most traffic the last 7 days. Copy of Singapore, this one, Singapore V3. So I just want to know where that one is. So this must be the second highest, 24654. Yes. So this one got minus 28% ROI, only because the conversion rate is not that great. So what I actually am going to do tomorrow, I'm going to ask Big Bang Ads if I can have this iPhone offer with a pre-lender. So I will do a rotation on the ad level. So when we go to home, you see tons of different campaigns. We're all testing out different elements. You can see, where's my campaign? Where's Colin? Here it is. I'm at the top because I'm in the green, one of the few ones. So what I actually want to do is I want to go to destination, tracking, no, destination. And then, yeah, this is the new path. I want to add one here. So the weight is 100. And then I'm going to do like 50-50 with like pre-lender and without pre-lender. So that way I will be able to distinguish what works better and to see if we can get a higher conversion rate that way. So just keep in mind, right, this is our volume testing account. You see a lot of Park, Propellerads, even some Facebook with some special codes in here, because we're testing out new angles, some black hat stuff, anything with push, native. We use this account because we also use it for YouTube. We don't really want to show the world our like huge, big campaigns, right? Makes sense, I would say. So yeah, tomorrow, so the game plan, what I learned today is we have to hire the bid to get more volume. If we look at audiences, no, if we look at traffic chart, yeah, that's it. And we look for push notifications and we look for Singapore, right? They have around 5 million impressions per day. So we do have the opportunity to get a lot more traffic. We just have to focus on slowly increasing the bid to see which zone IDs work, and then we can really start scaling with higher competitive bids to get that traffic in, and obviously scale the campaign slow and steady, meanwhile learning lots of things. So for the campaigns, or maybe I just get to the dashboard, might be easier. No, it's not easier. For the campaigns, yeah, this is the window I was looking for. V3, yeah, there we go, this one, and my other V3, this one. So these two campaigns, one is now changed to 0.04 and the other one is going to change to 0.05. That's the CPC, so I want to pay a 4-cent CPC and a 5-cent CPC. Get the CTR up by optimizing the zones and get the conversion rate hopefully up by getting more, getting another offer with a pre-lender. So trying to change something up there to ensure we're going in the right direction, right? So far so good, so far profitable, so far not losing any money. I don't mind losing money on testing this at all, as you guys know, but we have a 3.7% ROI so far in this campaign. So far so good. It actually does convert. It's just not scalable for now. I have to increase the bid, which makes the traffic more expensive. We would bring the ROI down to negative probably, because this might just be lucky, right? We've been profitable for 2 days in a row. But yeah, I really look forward to, if you guys can even see me, because it's so getting quite dark here already and I don't have the lights on. But if you guys are curious how it goes, I will be back tomorrow with another video. So the next video in the playlist is the follow-up from this one. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below, or remarks, of course. I would love to have a look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.